Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
We just had an anniversary party for my sister and her husband, and we did a lemon theme. It was really just a fun summer pool party for them. And I saw these candles and I had to have them. They are so pretty and so practical on top of it. You get a set of 3 and they're all different levels. You do have to have 2 AA batteries for each one. But while they're flameless, it is still a wax candle. So it feels and looks like a real candle because it is really made of wax. The outside printing does not look like it's cheaply put on. It really looks nice. The pattern is really beautiful. It kind of has a nice elegance to it. These looked pretty no matter where I put them. For the party, I had them next to a little drink table. Another thing that's really nice is there's options. So you can set it on just a solid light, or you can have it flicker like a real candle. So those are some options. It also has a timer. I love having candles, but I am awful at lighting them because I always forget to unlight them. These you can set on a timer and they will come on and go off the same time every night. So here they are in my windowsill in the evening, and you can see they put off a pretty good amount of light and they are gorgeous. It has a remote, so it's easy to control all the features, and it turns all of them on and off at the same time. Several different timer features. All in all, I was completely thrilled with these things. They even come in a really pretty box if you wanted to give these as a housewarming gift for a friend.
And that's my point of view.